Welcome to Daily News Updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring you the latest maritime daily news in a short form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Freight market scenario by Saigal Seatrade.
The Asia-Pacific Supramax market freight rates were mostly flat to higher on March 20th as market participants indicated mixed sentiment in the Pacific Basin. The Asia-Pacific Panamax market freight rates were flat to lower on March 20th as the Pacific Basin witnessed softening sentiment.
Government to set up India Port Services Limited. The government will set up India Port Services Limited, an apex company to provide end-to-end services to state-owned ports. The planned company will have a commercial role and coordinate with all the state-owned ports for transporting cargo on local routes by eliminating port-level differences and shipping issues, an official privy to the matter said. For instance, it will coordinate with Paradip Port Authority and V.O. Chidambaram Port Authority for moving coal originating from Odisha and destined for Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. It will have a single agenda and not be port-specific, the official said. Hutchison sold the Panama Canal ports to a US firm and China is furious. Hong Kong-based C.K. Hutchison Holdings has sparked sharp criticism from Beijing after selling its stakes in the Panama Canal ports to US investment giant BlackRock. The $23 billion deal announced earlier this month has further escalated geopolitical tensions, with Chinese officials warning against collaboration with American interests. Hutchison surprised global markets with its decision to divest nearly all of its global port holdings except those in China. The deal transfers 43 container ports across 23 countries, including the strategic Balboa and Cristobal docks at both ends of the Panama Canal, to BlackRock-led investors. Hutchison is set to receive $19 billion in cash from the transaction. Safeguard measures to cut India's steel imports by 50% in FY26. India's steel imports could reduce by 50% in FY26, while domestic manufacturers' profitability is expected to improve if the government levies a safeguard duty on inbound shipments, experts have said. The Directorate General of Trade Remedies, the investigation arm of the Commerce Ministry, has recommended imposition of a 12% provisional safeguard duty for 200 days on certain steel products with an aim to protect domestic players from surge in imports. The final decision to impose the duty will be taken by the Finance Ministry. India's JSW to set up 0.5 million ton capacity copper smelter, source says. India's steel-to-power conglomerate JSW Group plans to set up a 500,000 metric ton capacity copper smelter in the eastern state of Odisha by 2028 to 29, with feedstock of copper concentrate from Peru and Chile, a source directly aware of the matter told Reuters on Thursday. In January, JSW said it was foraying into the copper business with a 26 billion rupee investment to operate 2 copper mines from Hindustan Copper for a period of 20 years, with the option to extend it for another decade. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.